Man, don't put everything in your name, bro. You know what I'm saying? We done lost a lot of our good athletes behind a pretty face. You got the world putting their insecurities on your situationship because they care about you, Travis. You the breadwinner, bro. Don't fall victim like all other pro athletes did behind a woman. We don't know how you handle your situation behind these cameras and the internet and stuff. We don't seen a lot of pretty faces tear down real good athletes, strong athletes, legends. You get settled and these men go to coming in, I feel like that's when shit gonna get worse for you. Because you got women out there, bro, that's money hungry. They don't care how long the process was when they was with you. When you get that bag, that's when their true characters go to showing. We love you, Travis, but at the same time, bro, keep your eyes open.